6, 7, 8.
I'm not gonna lay around and whine and moan, 'cause somebody done me wrong. Don't think for a minute that I'm gonna sit around and sing some old sad song. I believe it's half full, not a half empty glass. Every day I wake up knowing it could be my last. I ain't here for a long time, I'm here for a good time. So bring on the sunshine, to hell with the red wine, pour me some moonshine. When I'm gone, put it in stone, he left nothing behind. I ain't here for a long time, I'm here for a good time. Folks are always dreaming about what they'd like to do, but I like to do just what I like. I'll take the chance, dance the dance. It might be wrong, but then again it might be right. There's no way of knowing what tomorrow brings. Life's too short to waste it. I say bring on anything. I ain't here for a long time, I'm here for a good time. So bring on the sunshine, to hell with the red wine, pour me some moonshine. When I'm gone, put it in stone, he left nothing behind. I ain't here for a long time, I'm here for a good time. I ain't here for a long time, I'm here for a good time.
This dance is Here for a Good Time. Choreographed by Gwen Walker, is the 32 count 2-wall line dance. Section 1 starting with the right foot, side together, side, walk forward, left, right, left, hitch. Section 2, cross, side, behind, side, cross rock, recover, triple, a quarter turn right to face 3 o'clock. Section 3, step forward, pivot, a quarter turn right, now facing 6. Step, point right to side, step, point left to side, left coaster step. Last section, rock forward, recover, triple a half turn right, rock forward, recover, triple a half turn left. The weight's on my left. And I start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's the whole dance.